What excites you most about a new smartphone launch? Is it the cutting edge technology, the sleek new design, or just the sheer anticipation of unboxing something brand new? For Samsung enthusiasts, there's plenty to be thrilled about as the launch of the Galaxy S25 series approaches. With the official unveiling just around the corner, there's a buzz in the air, especially about the sale and delivery dates in India. Samsung has officially announced that the Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025. This event is set to showcase the highly awaited Galaxy S25 series, a lineup that promises to push the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones. The pre-reservation phase has already kicked off, fueling the excitement even further as fans prepare to be among the first to experience Samsung's latest flagship. One of the most pressing questions on everyone's mind is about the timeline for pre-orders and the actual delivery of the new devices. Although Samsung has kept some details under wraps, a series of leaks and insider tips have started to paint a clearer picture, particularly for the Indian market. Before Samsung made its official announcement, a leak suggested that South Korea would see Galaxy S25 deliveries starting from 7 February 2025. Naturally, this raised curiosity about when Indian customers would get their hands on the new devices. Indian consumers now have some clarity thanks to popular tipster Asian Agarwal, who has provided key insights. According to Agarwal, deliveries for those who pre-order the Galaxy S25 series in India are expected to commence around 3 February 2025. This timeline seems to be set for early adopters who reserve their devices ahead of time. For those who prefer to wait and purchase after the initial excitement, regular sales are likely to begin on 9 February 2025. While the exact pre-order window remains undisclosed, Samsung's typical strategy offers a clue. The company usually allows pre-orders to start immediately following the launch event. If this pattern continues, Indian consumers could begin pre-ordering their Galaxy S25 devices as early as 22 January 2025, the same day as the launch. Beyond the release dates, there's considerable interest in the different models and options that will be available. Agarwal has hinted at various configurations in terms of memory and color variants for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. This range of options ensures that there's something for everyone, catering to different tastes and needs. Pricing is always a significant factor in the decision-making process. While the exact prices for India are yet to be confirmed, early reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 series might be priced slightly higher than the previous Galaxy S24 series. This potential increase aligns with global trends and reflects the advancements and enhancements that the new series is expected to offer. As we edge closer to the official launch, the excitement continues to build. Whether you're planning to be among the first to pre-order or waiting for the general sale, the Galaxy S25 series promises to deliver an exceptional experience, blending innovation with sophisticated design. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest news on the Galaxy S25 and all things tech. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications, struggling to keep track of what truly matters? If so, you're not alone. With smartphones becoming an integral part of our daily lives, managing notifications effectively has become more important than ever. The Samsung Galaxy S25 aims to revolutionize the way we interact with notifications, making the experience smoother, more efficient, and less chaotic. Let's take a look at how this innovative device is tackling the issue of notification overload. One of the key features of the Galaxy S25 is its ability to prioritize notifications. With the help of artificial intelligence, the phone will learn to recognize which alerts are most important to you. Whether it's an urgent email from work or a message from a close friend, the Galaxy S25 will push these notifications to the top, ensuring that you never miss anything important. No more wasting time sifting through countless alerts or wondering if something crucial has slipped through the cracks. The AI does all the work for you, giving you peace of mind and control over your notifications. In addition to prioritizing conversations, the Galaxy S25 introduces a summarized notification feature. We've all been there, opening a notification, only to find a lengthy message that could have been boiled down to a few words. This can be a hassle when you're in a hurry or just trying to stay on top of things. With the Galaxy S25, artificial intelligence steps in again, offering concise summaries of notifications. Instead of reading through long text, you'll get a quick overview of the message, allowing you to decide whether you need to take action immediately or if it can wait. This feature helps you save time and stay informed without feeling bogged down by irrelevant details. Another game-changing feature of the Galaxy S25 is automatic notification grouping. With this, notifications from the same app will be grouped together, making it easier to manage and reducing clutter in your notification panel. This means you won't have to scroll endlessly through a long list of alerts, making it much easier to find what matters most. Whether you're getting multiple notifications from your email, social media, or other apps, the Galaxy S25's grouping system keeps everything organized and neat. This feature ensures that your smartphone remains as streamlined as possible, with a focus on efficiency and simplicity. While these AI-driven features seem like they'll make managing notifications much easier, you might be wondering if you'll be able to customize them to suit your needs. Samsung has yet to confirm if there will be an option to turn off these features, but it's highly likely that the Galaxy S25 will allow you to adjust the settings to your preference. The Galaxy AI settings menu will likely provide customization options, allowing you to take full control over how you interact with your notifications, ensuring that the device adapts to your individual habits and needs. But the Galaxy S25 isn't just about smarter notifications. It also comes with One User Interface 7, Samsung's latest software, which aims to make the smartphone experience even more intuitive and user-friendly. With an upgraded Bixby Assistant, the Galaxy S25 can now process natural language even better, allowing for a more conversational and efficient interaction. Whether you're asking Bixby to send a message, set a reminder, or control smart home devices, the enhanced assistant will make these tasks smoother and more personalized than ever before. For now, some of the advanced notification features of the Galaxy S25 may be exclusive to this device, but there's good news for other Samsung users. Samsung has hinted that these features could be available on other devices later in 2025, so those with older Galaxy models may also benefit from these innovations down the line. If you're excited about the Galaxy S25, act fast. Samsung is offering early reservations ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, with exclusive bonuses for those who reserve early. Don't miss out on this chance to get your hands on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung is set to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy S36 and Galaxy S56. These new devices promise to offer a sleek design, impressive performance, and advanced features, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. With a significant upgrade in charging technology, these models are bound to capture the attention of users worldwide. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S36 and A56 is their 45-watt fast charging capability. Both devices will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, drastically reducing the time users spend waiting for their phones to charge. This feature is a game changer, allowing users to enjoy their devices more and spend less time tethered to an outlet. The 45-watt charging technology, which has previously been limited to certain markets, is now available globally, bringing fast charging to a wider audience. Design-wise, the Galaxy S36 and A56 share many similarities, both devices featuring a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design on the right side of both phones adds a unique touch, while the vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear provides a modern and sleek look. The Galaxy S36 does have slightly thicker bezels compared to the A56, but both devices maintain a premium feel in hand, making them visually appealing and comfortable to hold. Both phones will run on the latest Android 15 operating system, paired with Samsung's One User Interface 7. This combination ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung is also known for providing long-term software support, and these models will receive up to 6 major Android updates, keeping them current with the latest features and security improvements for years to come. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage.